Hello guys, welcome back. In this class we're gonna finish the styling of our project with Bootstrap. Okay, so uh, I separated here a few sections on Bootstrap that will be useful for this class. Okay, so first thing we need to improve the grid that we are listing the clients. So if we have like clients, let me log in here. I'll create a few clients. And another one. Okay, here we go. Cool. So we have two clients, but the way that we are showing this thing here is not very nice. So we can use the grid system and as well this list group to make it better. So first thing we need to go here into our um, clients file. So we are creating one list, one normal list. Okay, so we want to improve this list attaching the class for the UL like this, and for the list items as well like this. Okay, so for every new list item I will create a list item with a bootstrap class. Okay, if I refresh it now, as we can see here, it looks much better. Okay, so I will create a client tree here, for example. I think I'll need to create a new ID because this field is no, a client with this doc already exists, so let me create a new doc over there. So IDs. Okay, if I save it now, I think it will come with a new guy. So okay, we had three clients, so it looks a little bit better now. Yeah. Okay. So now we want to put the hello admin logout in this side here. So for that we need to use the grid system. So first thing we need to create a role. So will be everything here inside the role. I think here will be fine. We'll close that here, and I will indent this guy here. Okay. No, didn't work very well. So I think I will instead I will put this here like this. So I'll wrap this content the row. I'll wrap this content inside the row, just this one. Okay, and now I can separate them into two columns. So I think I can have a column like this. So first column will be with the title. Indent it back a little bit, and the same for another one. So two columns, right? And the content inside every column, each column. Okay, it's a little bit better, but I still don't like it. Let me think a little bit. What else we can have here? Okay, I think co and co. We can set the width and call the size. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So in total we have 12 to use, 1 to 12. So instead of I will use like 3 for 4 for this one, and 8 for this one. Let's see if it works. No, not yet. Actually, the opposite. I was 3 and 9. Okay, here we go. Much better. Cool. Excellent. Now I want these links to be in the same line, but like to this side. So what we can do here will be, I think we can, I think bootstrap align text right. I think there is one tag for bootstrap specifically for that. Let me check it out. Test justify. Oh, here we go. This guy here. That's what I'm looking for. So, these two buttons here, I think I can wrap them into one div. Let's see if it will work. And then I will use this class. Oops, sorry, right, to float it right. Maybe it will work. Okay, let's see that. Perfect, perfect, exactly as we were expecting. And now I want to make it looks a little bit more to a button, more similar to a button. So I like this for the is danger for delete. So I'll copy this guy here. The delete guy will come with this class. Excellent. Edit can be info, in my opinion, but you can pick the one that you like most. Okay, pretty cool, pretty easy thing to do. Excellent, guys. Let's do the same for new client. New client. For new client, I'm gonna pick the primary. Cool. Okay, let's refresh the page. Excellent. Let's break, put a break line here to separate it a little bit. As well, the logout. I think for logout, there is one other thing here that we could use. Let me check it out. As you can see, we have like so many um, different components, that you can use. It's not a big deal. You just come here and pick whatever you think is better. Okay, let's see how it will be for login and logout. Logout and login. Cool. I like it. Yeah, cool. If I do logout, it bring me to here, and login. Okay, yeah, we need to do the same for the login page. So I come back to buttons. I think this guy here, primary. Yeah, I think primary will be okay. So we go to registration, yeah, and login, and we attach it here. I think as well that we can have a title, so like welcome or something. Login page, and let's refresh the page. Okay, here we go. I think that thing for centralize the text will be helpful now. You see, guys, how easy it is to start the project, so you just go and see what components you like most in bootstrap, and you can just use it. Let's use bootstrap form in our login as well, because I think will look much better. So we can put pipe and bootstrap. Let's refresh the page. How very nice, very nice, guys. So here we have everything. Let's see the edit one. Or we have the save in forms. What do I have here in my, no, I need to copy that again. In buttons, here we go. Okay, my save button is working fine. In delete, the same. Delete confirm. I put, instead of primary, I use danger. Okay, so refresh the page. No, okay, I removed something by accident. Excellent. So we have everything styled very nice now, guys. So let's go again just to do a last check. So the login page is styled correctly. The list and the new client, edit a client, and delete a client is everything very well styled. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this part, guys, of styling the project. Okay, I hope you have implement the same in your machine. I hope is everything working fine, and I hope as well that your project will be looking better than mine because yeah, I just did simple things here to make the project looking better, but you can take your time and take make use of all these components that we have here on Bootstrap and make your project looks great. Okay, but if you have any doubt or query, please post your comment here in this class, that for sure I'm gonna help. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this class and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.